Rocco, ikaw ba na-scam ka na sa pag-ibig?
Nangyari na rin. Sa
Talaga?
totoo lang, Tito Boy. I think sa mga articles na nababalita sa akin, parang for the longest time hindi ako makontento sa isang babae. May backstory po yan. Kasi sa unang naging karelasyon ko po, niloko po ako. Parang na-scam. Na-scam ako dahil kaibigan ko pala ang ginawa niya. Malaman.
Okay.
So ang naging defense mechanism ko, ay hindi, mambababae ako. So every time nung college na po, paiba-iba ako ng sinusyota. Naging heartbreaker po ako.
Yeah, I know, but talaga? Dumating yung point na bakit ba ako niloko ng girlfriend ko, may kulang ba sa akin? Was I not enough? Diba? Inseguridad din.
Opo.
Kaya ang naging resulta, manliligaw ako, manloloko ako, maraming girlfriends para mapunuan ko yung aking inseguridad.
Which was wrong.
Which was very wrong.
For many years, akala ko po, ganun dapat yun. Until I stayed single for the longest time, mga 2 years. Doon ko po natutunan na mahalin ang sarili ko muna. Then, na-appreciate ko, this is how it's like to really love. Ganun pala
Right.
yun.
And it's easier said than done. Kasi halimbawa, nagkaroon ng third party, may nag-cheat sa isang relasyon. Ang tendency mo kasi is to build yourself.
Yes.
But sometimes, you need an opinion of another person na labas sa inyo na nakakakita, nothing's wrong with you. Kailangan meron eh. Alam ko na napakahirap pakinggan yan while it is happening, while pain is happening. But sometimes, you need a father, you need a sister, a mother to say, hey, slow down. Sandali lang. Hindi ikaw ang problema. Hindi lang ikaw.
Tama
Meron.
po.
So it's important that there is somebody there who bridges that gap for you to understand better. You know, when I was reading the materials about you, you're not just an actor. You're an athlete. Galing, no? You are an entrepreneur, a businessman. You have a master's degree in nursing.
Yeah,
You
I
are a Philippine Navy reservist.
Yes.
Ang tanong kasi, Rocco, ang dami mong ginagawa, you're many, which I think is good because we are all many. Pero paano yung balanse? Paano mo nagagawa ang lahat ng ito without having to get lost?
Mahirap nga po. It takes a lot of time management and really waking up early to focus on ano ba kailangan kong gawin tong araw na ito.
Do you schedule? This day, ito ang aking gagawin.
I started to.
Okay.
Lalo na ngayon, Tito Boy, mas nagiging aggressive po ako ngayon sa mga investments na minsan naliligaw na ako ngayon. So, sa mga kapuso natin na nanonood ngayon, natutunan ko na malaking investment. Hindi po scam to. Magandang investment kumuha ng financial advisor. Someone na magtuturo sa inyo.
Totally agree.
Hindi tama yan. Parang too good to be true. Huwag na yan. Tama yan. Insurance, gawin mo yan.
No, at saka when you take a risk, siyang nagsasabing, it's your risk. Ha?
Yes.
Pero ito ang aking pananaw.
Tama.